guys, welcome back to another video. In today's makeup, show you guys this look that I did. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope you guys can, but it's this one here. It's so pretty and it's super easy to achieve. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Let me fix my ponytail because I feel like it's kind of crazy here, and I'm sorry if the lighting is off. I need to wax. Anyways, I'm sorry if the lighting is off. I'm using my professional camera for today's filming. My other camera, which I film with the G7X camera, and that one is just not working right now. It's not going to read my SIM card, so I have to go to the camera doctor and see what that is wrong with it. But I'm pretty sure it can be fixed. I really hope so. I really hope so. That's the look we're gonna do today. I am 100% sure. I guarantee you guys that this look is so easy to do, and we'll just like call this video like concert makeup for sure, because I know a lot of you are going to the Karol concert. Well, I'm guessing a lot of you are going, and I think you should go because it's so worth it. I loved it so much. I was like living my best life. I think every Bichota should experience her concert. It was so good. And it's funny because on TikTok I saw this guy go to like the Drake concert and the Karol concert, and he said that the Karol is worth the money. I'm not sure if he got floor tickets or not. I just know that he said he enjoyed it way better, so that's your sign to go see Karol, especially if you're a Bichota, you know. But I haven't prepped my skin. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm taking the snail primer, or not primer, serum. I really like the serum, by the way. It's really good. It is worth the hype. It looks pretty hydrating right now. Oh, by the way, I did apply the Summer Fridays lip butter balm. I can't stop applying this thing. It's so addicting. I love it so much. I'm gonna get another one. I should have gotten another one because they were stocked, girl. Alright, so in today's eyeshadow look, I'm gonna be taking the Patrick Ta Major Dimension palette, and I'll take Mother, which is this shade here, and now I'm just gonna blend this on my crease. On that day when I went to the concert, I was not rushing. I actually planned everything out like a day before. I'm not a good planner, you guys. I work great under pressure, which is very like weird of me. That's like one of my best qualities, if it makes sense. So I planned my outfit like, actually I didn't plan my outfit 2 days before. I actually planned it like maybe 4 days before. I'm gonna take absolutely just apply this on the outer corner right here. Yeah, you guys, it's really funny how that happens. And now I'm taking, which is Scandal. I'm gonna make the littlest wing with a black eyeliner. This one's from One Size Beauty. Okay, so we're gonna leave the eyes alone for a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my face. So we already applied that serum. I'm gonna take this Refi Face Primer. I'm gonna take a brush and I'm just going to kind of blend everything together. And then I'll take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and just apply this all over. For today's foundation, I'm taking the Omega Forever HD Skin Foundation in the shade 3N42. I'm just gonna take some on the back of this little thing. You guys, can y'all believe already that I've been on YouTube for like 9 years, wait, I think it's 9. I'm just so thankful for anyone that's like been here for like the longest. Thank you so much for following me and watching my content, watching my videos. You guys don't know how thankful I am. Throughout the years, you guys can keep watching me, keep seeing my channel grow. I feel like it just hasn't lately, and I'm not gonna talk about it because it's negative, you know. But yeah, thank you so much for everything, for all the support. The foundation here is actually really nice. Like, I've been really into it. It's full coverage and it also doesn't dry up my skin. It still leaves like a really pretty shine, but it's very full coverage. Usually when foundations are for full coverage, they're usually matte. Like, they set matte to me. So now for concealer, I'm taking the Makeup by Mario concealers. These are the Surreal Skin Awakening Concealer. I got it in the shade 320. Yeah, I'm gonna apply this, and then I'll apply my contour and blush. But as I was saying, it's very full coverage. I'm hearing mixed reviews about this concealer, which I don't get because it works amazing on me. Not sure why everybody's like hating it. So now time to blend it out. Yeah, as I was saying, my camera, my G7X camera totally just doesn't want to work. I kind of broke it because one of my SD cards, I guess, got stuck and it left a couple pieces inside the SD placement, and oh my god, it was such a bitch taking it out that I think I messed up the little wires. So yeah, now I have to go to the camera doctor and get it fixed. So, and now I'm taking my Chanel bronzer. I'm just gonna apply it everywhere where I want to be bronzed. Anyway, you guys, I got a new cape. Oh my god, I'm actually so obsessed with my capes. Look how cute it is. I cannot believe, like, it's so pretty. It's so cute. It's the Mañana Será Bonito Bichota season, the little album picture. Like, seriously, I'm just obsessed with the new album. Hearing her album made me heal through my breakup, and it's like, and because of that, I'm just gonna like continue going to her concert, because forget my breakup, like healing myself, finding myself again, like it just made me feel so empowered. That's what that album just makes you feel, very empowered. That's why I got it. That's why I went to her concert, to be honest. For blush today, I'm gonna take this Nude Sticks Nudie is a matte all over face blush color. This is in the shade Sun-Kissed Pink. Yeah, I love this one. I've been using it lately and it just looks so pretty. You see, like it's a really pretty true pink. It's so crazy that no matter what kind of hardship you're going through, it could be breakup, it could be, you know, ending a friendship, or redirecting yourself, or finding yourself again. I know that it's hard, you know. There's always a beautiful side to everything. You'll get through it, and it takes a lot. It takes healing, like inner wounds. I'm just in a much better place than I was like 8 months ago, you know? I'm happy that a lot of things happened to me. Without them, I wouldn't be able to recognize what I did wrong, or what I did, not even what I did wrong and what I did good. I'm in such a better place mentally, of course physically, because girl, I go to the gym and I'm just so much better. My physical body, I'm not tired all the time. Oh my god, I sleep at a much better time now than I used to. I used to sleep so late. I used to never have like a good sleeping schedule, which sucked. And you know what I would think? I would think like, oh, I work from home, you know, like I can manage my own time, which is true. Like I'm so blessed that I don't have like a time where I clock in or anything like that. But I took so much advantage of it. I took advantage of the fact that I did have that privilege, you know, and I would wake up so late. My day was gone because I would wake up that late. Yeah, it was just like, it just felt shitty, and I was tired of feeling that way. I was like, you know what? I have to do something about it. But I applied way too much right down here. It kind of looks gray. But yeah, I was just so tired of feeling tired, you know, and I finally said, you know what, this has to change. And I now work out in the mornings. I work out 4 to 5 times a week, and trust me, it pays off. Wow. I don't even know why I was so impatient before, and I was so hard on myself before, because now I see, like, obviously I see my progress, and I'm just like, why was I so impatient? Why wasn't I just good to me, you know? Like, you just think of these things. Good thing about it is that now you know. Now you know that good things take time. Healing takes time. It's not gonna come one day to another. Un día para el otro, como se dice. I feel like I have so much peace of mind. Peace of mind, like that, nobody can buy. You can't buy that. You can't find that at a store. You can't borrow it. Yeah, like, you guys get it. But okay. So now I'm just gonna blend my under eye. By the way, I did get 2 Makeup by Mario's Awakening concealers in shade 320 and 220, which I applied right now. That's the last one I applied, 220. To highlight, I love how warm it is, so I can get away with using it, or using that lighter shade to highlight my under eye. But you know what? I'm not gonna apply some anymore down here, because I have a lot of discoloration like around my mouth, and when I don't color correct, when I apply concealer around there, it can look gray, which it sucks, but that's how this area works for me. So I feel like you can see every little detail through this camera. Alright, so now I'm just taking my Givenchy Prism powder. This is in the shade Violet Rose. And I'm just gonna set everywhere where I applied the concealer. Alright, so now to set everything in place, I'm gonna take this one. This is the One Size Beauty powder. One Size Beauty? Yep. And I'm just gonna try this where I want to just set everything. And then the Patrick Ta bronzer. This one's in the shade She's Sculpted. For blush, I'm taking the Too Faced Cloud Crush Blurring Blushes. This is in a shade Tequila Sunset. It's my favorite shade. So pretty. This is the one that I was wearing for the concert and I got compliments on it, so you see why? Okay, so now I'm gonna apply these lashes from Kiss. And by the way, these are not the lashes that I was wearing, unfortunately. The ones that I was wearing are very similar to these pair, but they Birdie Beauty lashes in the style Gemini, and they were everything. I love those lashes. And so now I'm gonna take the bottom. I'm gonna apply some here. So now for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna take the Birdie Lash Mascara. So for the inner corner, I always apply a matte white shade. This is from the Laura Lee Whimsical Nudes palette. I love this shade here. It's the Cloud Blossom. It's so pretty. That's what I pretty much use for my inner corner. I don't use shimmer shades anymore. Okay, so I applied a little bit of powder just to chisel up and clean out my cheekbones. And I also don't highlight my brow bone area. I feel like it's so much prettier when it's matte, and it just goes really well with my look. So now I'm just gonna take this off. So for lips, I'm gonna be doing MAC Cork and MAC Lip Glass in Please Me. Best combo here, you will see. Okay, so now MAC Please Me. I try not to go over the liner so much. At first it's very scary because it's really pink, but after that it's not whatsoever. Like, it just blends really well with the lip liner. I know in the picture it looks like I'm not wearing gloss, but I was. It's just that my gloss was like, I was drinking, so yeah, that's the case. That's the case with my gloss. So that's it, you guys. I'm gonna quickly just run some spray. This is the setting spray that I used, and then I also used the Too Faced for the concert. This here, your makeup will never ever just stay in place. Let me just tell you that. It is the Too Faced Makeup Insurance 18-hour wear. I always do like two to three spritzes each side. So that is it for this Karol G concert makeup inspo for you guys. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you guys have been to a Karol G concert, and what concert did you start loving her music. Mine was definitely, well, it was before Strip Love concert, but I couldn't make that one because it was my dad's birthday. I had to be with my dad that day, so I couldn't be with the bichota. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all on my next